There it goes. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do another tool review. This one is an Amico TIG 165. I bought this off Amazon. I believe it was under 200 bucks. This isn't a welding video, although I will be doing welding in it. I'm not a professional welder by any means. And I've only done TIG welding a handful of times. However, I have done a lot of research and I kind of understand the concept of how TIG works. Like I said, this was purchased off of Amazon. When I first got it, it did have a different head on it. It had this head with a switch, and I just couldn't get comfortable setting it up like that, trying to get it ready. So what I did is I actually converted it over to just a regular 26F flex head and a cheap Amazon foot pedal. It did convert very easily. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip it on. I'm going to do a quick weld, and then we'll go from there. Okay. All right. I don't know how much I'll be able to see with this, but I'm going to give it a shot. Let's go. Alright, so I actually kind of messed up on that one and touched the tungsten. So I'll have to pause for a second, get a new tungsten, and go from there. Alright, so I did just do that weld, and like I said, I dipped the tungsten. Not good, bubbled up real bad. So I got a new tungsten. So real quickly, I'm going to do a couple of details on this welder. It does do TIG and stick. It runs off of either 115 or 220 volt. I'm currently running it off of 115. Doing this weld, doing a couple other welds today, I've noticed that the fan really hasn't kicked on much. When it does kick on, it's not too loud. Anyways, I'm going to do another weld real quick, and then we'll go from there. I'll give you a review. Alright? There it goes. I already dipped the tungsten again. That's why the weld looks weird. And bubbled it up real good. I don't know if y'all can see that from over there or not, but that makes it to where it's not very good. It does bubble it up, and the weld starts going like crazy. So, I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyways, so I think that's enough of the welding. It does weld really good. So let's talk about a couple of the details. Like I said, it did come with the bigger style torch fitting with a push button. I personally didn't like that. I couldn't get comfortable doing it. So I spent, I think it was another maybe $40 on Amazon and bought this flex head as well as the pedal you see down on the floor. I don't know if you can see it or not. So this pedal here, just cheap stuff off of Amazon. I don't try to do anything too expensive because I'm just a hobbyist. Anyways, As far as my review on this welder, for a hobbyist, it is great. However, one thing I would recommend is make sure the power that you got going to it is on its own, because I have trip breakers with it. It is an inverter style, so it does help with that. But later on, I'll do a video with it stick welding. I don't have it set up for that right now, so that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, I paid less than $200 for this, so we'll try to get another video out soon of another tool review. All right.